Hello everyone. Today we will learn the difference between independent and dependent clause. Before moving on to the difference, let us see what is the clause first. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. Now moving on to what is an independent clause. An independent clause is a group of words with the subject and a verb because it is a clause and can form a complete sentence independently. It means it is a group of words and it is a complete sentence basically. For example, she marked me absent. This sentence, the red part is the subject and the blue part is the verb. She marked me absent. This is a group of words. It has a subject she and it has a verb marked. Similarly, she became angry with me for no reason. She is the subject, became is the verb. Both these sentences are complete because they make a complete meaning. Similarly, they will eat and enjoy their dinner time. This sentence has two verbs, but there is only one subject. So it has a subject, it has two verbs, eat and enjoy. It gives a complete meaning, so it is an independent clause. Moving on to a dependent clause. A dependent clause is a group of words, just like an independent clause, with a subject and a verb, but the difference is that it cannot form a complete sentence independently and needs an independent clause to complete its meaning. Unlike the independent clause, the dependent clause cannot make the meaning on its own, but it needs an independent clause to complete its meaning. Let us see some examples. If you listen to me now, this group of words has a subject and has a verb both, but it doesn't make a complete sense. If you listen to me now, then what will happen? The group of words is incomplete. Similarly, because she was watching TV and which went missing. These three are the examples of a dependent clause because they don't make a complete meaning unless they have an independent clause with them. One thing you should always keep in mind is the dependent clause always begin with a subordinating conjunction like because, although, since, if, until, after, before, while, as, unless, etc. Or a relative pronoun that, which, who, whom, whichever, whoever, whomever, and whose. If you see the three sentences, the first two are beginning with a subordinating conjunction and the third one is beginning with a relative pronoun. So what do we need now? We need an independent clause with it to complete its meaning. So let us add an independent clause with them. So it is, if you listen to me now, you will thank me later. Here, the green part is the dependent clause, and you'll thank me later is the independent clause. Now, this sentence makes a complete meaning. Then, Sarah didn't hear the doorbell because she was watching TV. Or, this is the dog which went missing. This is how you use a dependent clause and independent clause in a sentence. Thank you.